Okay.
All right, we got our next build. This is a 2020 Ram 1500 5.5 foot bed.
Yep.
Right? Yeah. This is kind of the full meal deal, guys. I think with the exception of side lights. This guy has the rear lights. This guy has juice box and has the gear vault with the drop down table. We have our power plate solar system with our battery. We got our vent fan up here. We got our bed ladder. We got our cab pass-through window. What else? We got our squat spotter laser LED light bar. We got the dual solar panels up top, which is crazy. They're generating 50 watts of power right now with overcast sky. So he's gonna be able to charge up his battery on the way home. So anyway, beautiful build. Get a little wider shot for you guys. Arnie's on the tailgate. This guy's got to drive home. So see you later, guys.